set yourself up to have a list of suitable candidates for your hard-to-fill job, which is what a headhunter does, you also have to stay in contact with that person on that list. Why? Give feedback to them, so they'll take your call. Why else? Singapore, so maybe you still know whether they're still in the country or not, right? Let's face it, we move in and out pretty regularly. So you need to, if you're going to be a successful headhunter, headhunters specialise normally. I advise you do the same thing. Work out the jobs in your company that you need to be a headhunter about, which are the jobs that you should have a list of people that you can ring that are either interested in working in that job